Hey guys! Thanks for stopping by, and now we are going to see the details about the new Mi Mix Fold phone and the all-rounder Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. The price, specs and other details will be provided. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video.
You always want what you can't have, and while you have it.
In China, a new foldable phone was reportedly unveiled, not by Samsung, but by one of its competitors, and it seems to be strongly influenced by the Galaxy Z Fold 2. It's called the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold, and it's similar to the Huawei Mate X2 in that it meets the style pattern set by Samsung's foldable series about 2 years earlier. The Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold features a book-like interface on the inside with a foldable screen and a rigid covered display on the outside. This is the same formula that the Galaxy Fold and Galaxy Z Fold 2 have used to great effect. The Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold tries to forge its own name by building on Samsung's base, but it ends up stealing the Fold nickname. The big question now is whether the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold, at least in terms of features, will cope with the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Since consumers outside of China will not be able to purchase the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold via official outlets, Samsung remains the best foldable OEM. Is the Galaxy Z Fold 2 in danger if it isn't available? Let's take a closer look at this. Displays. Apart from their startling similarities, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold don't have much in common. Xiaomi's approach uses a cover panel with a 27:9 aspect ratio, which could be too unwieldy for real-world implementations. We assume the cover view on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is still too small to have a true smartphone experience, so the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold is a step backwards in this respect. The Chinese manufacturer also took a unique approach to high refresh rate displays. Xiaomi's Mi Mix Fold has a 90Hz covered display and a 60Hz foldable AMOLED screen, while Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 2 has a 60Hz cover display and a 120Hz foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X panel. Internal specs. Xiaomi took advantage of the fact that the Mi Mix Fold was launched more than 6 months after the Galaxy Z Fold 2 to deliver the Mi Mix Fold. Since then, newer components have been built, and the Xiaomi Foldable now includes a few updates, including the Snapdragon 888 chipset and more memory options. Samsung's competitor has a dual-cell battery with a maximum power of 5020 mAh thanks to its 67-watt super-fast charging capability. It can be recharged about 2.5 times quicker. Cameras. A 108MP key sensor versus 12MP, an 8MP telephoto macro shooter with a liquid lens and 3x optical zoom, versus 12MP with OIS and 2x optical zoom, and a 13MP ultra-wide sensor versus 12MP with OIS and 2x optical zoom, make up Xiaomi's triple camera configuration versus 12MP ultra-wide. It can capture 8K video while the Galaxy Z Fold 2 doesn't. The back cameras on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 are falling behind, which is particularly surprising given that Samsung's Foldable has a 2x zoom camera from 2017. Xiaomi's solution, of course, emphasizes the fact that the Z Fold series camera is in desperate need of an update. Other intriguing things. The Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold, like the Galaxy Z Fold 2, claims to revolutionize smartphone multitasking and efficiency. It runs an older version of Android 10 and MIUI 12, while Samsung's solution is running Android 11. On the Galaxy Z Fold 2, One UI's multitasking features are limited to 3 applications in split screen, while Xiaomi's MIUI 12 takes a new tack by employing a laptop tablet-like UI. According to the marketing materials, it seems to be a perfect match for mobile usability. Xiaomi's Foldable, on the other hand, does not seem to have a DeX-like environment that would allow it to attach to a larger screen, so the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is a safer option if you want to carry your smartphone experience to a TV or computer display. There are a few other differences between the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold and other smartphones. It lacks a monitor notch or cutout for the foldable screen, and it has quad speakers rather than two, which may improve the multimedia experience. Samsung and Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold. Other details. With the arrival of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 later this year, Samsung is expected to improve a few core features. It should have a stronger camera setup, internal hardware, and possibly support for the S Pen. It'll most likely be the best foldable of the year, particularly if the Mi Mix Fold is the pinnacle of Xiaomi's offerings. Even if Xiaomi's foldable phone has no chance of becoming a global sensation, Samsung will be able to learn something from it. One of the most appealing aspects of the Mi Mix Fold is that it will be available in China for roughly $1,500, making it $500 cheaper than Samsung's solution at launch. A quad speaker setup will also support the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 3, and MIUI 12 will inspire Samsung to develop a more robust UI for mobile productivity and multitasking. Without a cutout, the foldable screen looks better, so let's hope in-display cameras become a possibility later this year. At the end of the day, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is still the most full foldable phone around, but it's clear that Samsung can't afford to neglect its new competitors. The foldable clone wars seem to have started, and Samsung must ensure that it stays one step ahead of its competitors. That's all the details I have got for you today. If you find this video helpful, then a like is appreciated. Also, if you love to watch similar videos, then hit that subscribe button. Catch you guys with another tech news soon. Thank you for watching.